In this video, I am going to give you 17 amazing side hustle ideas so you can start making money online today. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia, and on this channel we talk all things money, investing, and entrepreneurship. Now if you enjoy videos like these, don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell on because you don't want to miss a thing, right? Sounds good? Keep on watching. Okay, so the first side hustle idea is actually Skillshare. With Skillshare, you can actually teach people online any skill that you have. You're actually paid based on how long people watch your videos when you put them on Skillshare. So that you are gonna wanna keep in mind, but if you do have a skill, go for it. The second side hustle idea is to actually teach driving lessons to students. All you have to do is just go on Indeed.com and look for part-time driving instructor jobs, and you are good to go. Once you got a car, you got a license, I think you're all set after that. The third side hustle idea is to actually have a Discord. Now, if you actually have a community surrounded by a certain niche, all you have to do is to create a Discord group and actually charge people a monthly fee in order to have access to your Discord group. Let's say you have a Discord group with around 100 people, right? And you've decided to charge $10 per month. Right? That's actually $1,000 extra per month in passive income. So not only is this opportunity a good way to have passive income, but it's a great side hustle idea. The fourth side hustle idea, which is probably one of my many favorites, it's actually to invest in stocks. Now, you can actually invest in dividend stocks in which that company pays you monthly, quarterly, or even annually, as well as you can also invest in growth stocks where there is no dividends being paid. However, that stock is rapidly growing, and that's how you make your money. The fifth side hustle idea is actually to sign up for clinical trials. If you're willing to be the guinea pig and have people conduct research on you as it relates to medicine and other areas, you can actually make really good money by just signing up for clinical trials. Go to clinicaltrials.gov for more information. I've seen people being paid thousands of dollars just for being involved in a clinical trial. A lot of times researchers want to know if a new drug is actually effective or if it has any side effects, and you will be the guinea pig. So they'll basically find that out because they're testing that on you. So if you're up for that, do your thing, boo. The sixth side hustle idea is actually usertesting.com. If you go on that website and you sign up, they will actually send you products and they will pay you for testing those products. All they need is literally just your feedback, and then you'll get paid. So if you're interested, go to usertesting.com. The seventh side hustle idea is for basically interior decorators. If you are into decorating, just go to house.com if you're into interior decorating and you want to offer your services there. Now, the eighth side hustle idea is actually test birds. Now with test birds, you can actually make money by using a brand new app and providing your feedback. People want to know if these apps are actually user friendly, and so they push these out to certain people in order to use them, get their feedback, and then they'll get paid. Now the ninth side hustle idea is actually Matterport. Now with Matterport, you will actually get paid by conducting virtual tours. So if you actually have a camera and you're willing to conduct virtual tours, then go to matterport.com to sign up. The 10th side hustle idea is actually 99 Designs. Now, if you're able to use Photoshop or any other designing software, you can actually go on 99 Designs and actually make money selling various designs on that platform. The next side hustle idea is to actually sell on eBay. Now, the beauty about this is that you really don't need to go buy anything in order to sell it. You can literally just start by just selling things around your home, things that you no longer need, things that you no longer use. And that way you can generate a little bit of money. Now the 12th side hustle idea is actually to become a home inspector. Now, as it relates to becoming a home inspector, All you got to do is take the necessary courses, get your certification, and you can become a home inspector in no time. The amazing thing about becoming a home inspector is that you can do this on your own time. You don't have a boss pushing you around and all that stuff. So you work on your own time. You are your own boss. I've seen home inspectors making up to $450 per inspection. So just imagine if you're really looking for a decent paying side hustle, this is actually a great option, especially when you can plan your home inspections around your day job. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Those are the 12 side hustles in which you can actually start making money today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it to other people who they actually want to make some money. If you made it this far in the video, comment a heart emoji and I'll be sure to respond to all your comments. I'll see you in the next one.